Hello and welcome to my channel Birdie English. Today, we'll be exploring the different pronunciation sounds of the letter E. In English, the letter E can have several different pronunciation sounds, including short E as in bed, long E as in bee, E as in beat, E as in feet, I as in field. Let's start with the short E sound, as in the word bed. Repeat after me: bed, pet, red. Next, let's move on to the long E sound, as in the word bee. Repeat after me: B, T, C. Now let's practice the ia sound, as in the word beat. Repeat after me: beat, heats, eat. The next sound is the E sound, as in the word feet. Repeat after me: feet, meat, sweet. Finally, let's practice the I sound, as in the word field. Repeat after me: field, shield, yield. To improve your pronunciation of these sounds, try these tips. Pay attention to the position of your mouth and tongue when making the sounds. Slow down and exaggerate the sounds when you practice. Listen to native English speakers and try to imitate their pronunciation. I hope this video has helped you understand the different pronunciation sounds of the letter E. Remember to keep practicing, and soon you'll be able to produce these sounds correctly and with confidence. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.